My parents used to like to sing on Shabbos. They would sing Zmires, which is, songs, traditional songs, and they wouldn't, enjoy that. I mean, it's nice to preserve some of the melodies. There was like, Ribon Olam ve'omaya ve'omaya Antu Malka Melech Machaya Melech Machaya. So that was one. I can't think of others right now, but that was, some, like, I think now people still sing zemirot, but the melodies have changed. So some of those older melodies, people don't sing them as much anymore. So I hope somebody preserved them.